Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have an exciting topic that combines cutting-edge technology and financial success. In this video, we'll explore how you can get rich with artificial intelligence. So, let's dive right in. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized numerous industries, and it also presents lucrative opportunities for individuals who want to capitalize on its power. Here are the steps you can take to maximize your chances of getting rich with AI. Identifying lucrative AI applications. Step 1 is identifying lucrative AI applications. AI has already transformed industries like finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. But don't limit yourself to these areas. Look for untapped niches where AI can bring significant value. Conduct market research, identify pain points, and think creatively about how AI can solve those problems. Acquiring AI skills. Step 2 is acquiring AI skills. To thrive in the AI world, you need a solid understanding of machine learning, deep learning, and data analysis. There are various online platforms and courses that offer AI education, from introductory concepts to advanced techniques. Invest time in building your skills and stay up to date with the latest developments. Building an AI network. Step 3 is building an AI network. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals, AI experts, and entrepreneurs who share your passion. Attend industry conferences, join online communities, and network with professionals in the AI field. Collaborations and connections can open doors to lucrative projects and investment opportunities. Developing AI solutions. Step 4 is developing AI solutions. Whether you're a developer or a business-minded individual, focus on creating AI-powered products or services. It could be a smart recommendation system, an automated customer service platform, or an AI-driven trading algorithm. Develop solutions that address market needs and offer tangible value. Securing funding. Step 5 is securing funding. Once you have a compelling AI idea or project, it's time to seek financial support. Investors are actively looking for promising AI ventures. Prepare a solid business plan, demonstrate your market research, and showcase the potential returns on investment. Explore venture capital firms, angel investors, and government grants to fuel your AI ambitions. Monetizing data. Step 6 is monetizing data. Data is the lifeblood of AI. If you have access to valuable datasets, there's an opportunity to monetize them. Consider partnerships with businesses that require data for training their AI models. Ensure you adhere to privacy regulations and establish data sharing agreements that benefit all parties involved. Scaling and automation. Step 7 is scaling and automation. Once your AI venture gains traction, focus on scaling operations and automating processes. Leverage cloud computing platforms, deploy AI models on scalable infrastructures, and streamline workflows. The goal is to maximize efficiency and profitability while minimizing operational costs. And there you have it, a roadmap to getting rich with artificial intelligence. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, continuous learning, and persistence. AI is a rapidly evolving field, so be adaptable and embrace new technologies as they emerge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, happy AI adventures.